Manuel, how big a vote of confidence is this then, potentially, in terms of Intel's turnaround strategy?
Definitely a very big boost for Intel, Tom. Indeed, a big deal. We at Bloomberg had the scoop, and definitely a big vote in confidence in that turnaround plan for Intel, which, as we all know, has been struggling and shedding billions in value in market cap in recent years. So it definitely is a big mark. Apollo, a very well-known in the alternative asset management space, which was traditionally more known for distressed debts, but has built itself into more insurance and credit in strategies in recent years. And actually an interesting bet as well, because they both have a partnership that goes for quite some time. So it'll be interesting to see how it plays out, this potential up to $5 billion equity investment into Intel, for sure.
Yeah, I think this is fascinating, given, as you say, what it means around and what it tells us around the transformation at Apollo, of course, in terms of private equity and how it's shift focus, but also what it means for the chip sector of the US. And we're getting a sense now that Intel is getting a number of lookers right now. I mean, they're getting a lot of interest despite the challenges around the turnaround. We've got the potential Qualcomm takeover offer. Where does that stand?
Yeah, that is definitely fascinating, Tom. Just over the weekend, news unfolded on Qualcomm's approach for a takeover of Intel. That would be a huge deal if it were to happen, definitely. I mean, the CEO of Intel has been pretty vocal that he believes he can turn around the company. Definitely, it's been a struggling, strategy, but he still believes that he can. Intel can remain as a standalone business, but obviously the industry is consolidating despite all the politics involved and how strategic chip making has become globally. Qualcomm is making a move for its smaller rival. I mean, definitely an interesting potential deal, but also a very complicated one given the sheer size. So a lot of moving parts, and definitely the CEO of Intel has been vocal. He believes in the company as a standalone business, but he's also open to consider alternative options.